New app gives you PayPal money free. $25 every 30 seconds. Make money online. Get $25 every 30 seconds. Are you being serious? Certainly no apps pay you PayPal money just like that. We know right now you have several questions running in your head, but hear us out. You can really receive $25 every 30 seconds. It's a cycle and it repeats again and again. This method requires no selling or no videos, and definitely no website is needed. You also don't need any technical skills, nor do you need to do any of the hard work. In fact, you also do not need any money to get started because this is 100% free. All you need is a mobile phone or a computer, and of course an internet connection. You can immediately get started after watching the video from any country in the world, and you can cash out your earnings in any different payment method that are available worldwide. If you are watching this video, we have a surprise bonus at the end, which is going to help you earn even more money online compared to other people. So make sure you stick around and don't miss out on anything. But before we start with today's video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and also turn on the bell for the latest notifications and updates. We bring you different ways to make money online, and each video is dedicated to those who are looking to make easy money on the internet without any skills, so please do support. Without any further ado, let's start with the video. First of all, what we want you to do is go to the website called legit.com. Keep in mind the spelling, Legit.com. There are two I's in the legit. We can guarantee that you never heard of this website before, nor have you heard of other people talking about it. This is going to be a completely brand new strategy that you can make money right now for every 30 seconds. Basically, this website is like a marketplace where people come over and look for different services. For example, graphic and design, internet marketing, video, audio, music, and so on. Also, there are several different categories as you can see right from the top. When you scroll down, you can see here $35, $10, $6, as well as here $35, $30, and $30. There are so many services right here on the website. People are charging money in many different categories. Remember what we told you earlier? You don't need to do any of the work. You don't have to make any videos or websites, and you don't have to sell anything. This is 100% free method. First of all, we want you to pay attention to the following step. Click on this link right here where it says video. So right now you can see people are charging a lot of money, $50 to $90. People are charging big money for just creating videos. For example, people are charging $25 for one video. Another one is charging $50. And all of these people right here with their services and their price, all of these are making money from this website just for making videos, and they're charging a lot of money. Now we just want to repeat and make it clear to you. You don't have to create any of the videos yourself. You don't have to even put in any of the hard work, because at the end of the video, we'll show you websites that will do all this work for you. And it is 100% legit. If you stick with us until the end of the video, you'll learn everything and start making money every 30 seconds. Right after watching this video. So now, we just want to show you the potential earnings that you can make right on legit.com. Now, just for one package or just one project on this website, you can charge $97. And let's say every single month you can sell 15 of your packages, which means you get $1,455, and over a month just selling those video packages, you can make over $1,000. And guess what? When you sell double that, say you sell 30 packages a month, you can earn something close to $3,000, and all you have to do is just sell one video per day for $97, and all this without doing any of the work. As you can see, this is such an amazing opportunity right here on legit.com. But no people are talking about this, there is no competition, and it is a brand new website. When we click on this title here where they create a professional video, that's going to take us to a page where you can see how much they're charging for a video, and you can see it's $50, which is absolutely crazy. You can literally make so much money right here, and I am going to show you exactly how you can do it for free, and with 100% free, do for your website. But if you enjoyed this video so far, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe button. With that said, let's proceed. Automation website. The first automation website that we would like to share with you is Powtoon.com. Basically, this is one of the best websites where they offer you a free opportunity using the done for your template and create a lot of professional videos. And guess what? A lot of big Fortune 500 companies, including Microsoft, Cisco, IBM, and Dell, are actually partnering up and using the services of Powtoon.com. When you click on the template link right on top, you can go over to the section where you can find the video template gallery. And from there, you can find all of the done for you templates, and just with the click of a button, you can create an awesome video in just minutes. You can see all of the examples right over here. Just scroll down to the bottom of the page to see all the templates. Now when you go back to legit.com and when we hover the mouse over videos, you can see what type of videos are in demand. Right now it is whiteboard videos. There are a lot of people who want help creating whiteboard videos, and you can literally charge hundreds of dollars just for one video. That's because these videos are in high demand. Let us now show you an example of whiteboard templates on a Powtoon website. The template you want to be looking for is Whiteboard Explainer. When you click on it, it is going to take you to a page where you can see the demo of the entire template. As you can see it is basically what we call a whiteboard explainer video. You have probably seen some of these kind of videos on YouTube. There are also a lot of people who actually love this kind of video. If you were to create these types of videos by yourself, it would take you days or even weeks just to make one video, because you and I both know we don't have any experience creating these kinds of videos. All you have to do is click this button and you can go ahead and edit the template. Create the entire explainer video on a whiteboard and sell it for hundreds of dollars. Here on legit.com, let us take a look at other categories where you can make money. You can make explainer videos, animation videos, and spokesperson videos. All we have to do is go back to powtoon.com and look up these templates on the website. All you have to do is search for the template, click on the one you prefer from the several options available, and preview the whole video. These templates are very professional and you can use them right away without needing any technical experience. Let's say you want to create a video after selecting the template. Click on where it says edit, and from there you actually have to sign up for a free account on powtoon.com. All you have to do is enter in your email address and click on the continue button. The second way to sign up is to click on the pricing button right on top, and then you scroll down below. You can look for a package that is free. You don't have to spend any money, or you don't have to invest any money either. Just click on these free packages and then click on Start Now. The next thing you have to do is go into your email and check for the verification mail. Get your account verified and you are good to go. All you have to do is select your template and start editing. There are already several slides that you can choose from. They are already prepared for you, and all you have to do is add your photos or clips that you want to add. Your video is ready and you can sell them for a good sum, preferably $90 or more. As for legit.com, it is a good website and they are also pretty new, and so not many people know about it, and hence the competition is limited. The website is also starting to grow, and if you start now, you can grab the opportunity and make a few bucks. If you are watching this video, you need to know that you are on an early trend, and any decision to work now on this website is going to help you earn a decent sum of money. Why not grab it when you can? Don't wait for tomorrow, or you won't get this chance to make money again. Now all you have to do is post your saved video on legit.com, where you can sell it for $60 to $100. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Do share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.